guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are at Ross because today we're going shopping, and we are going shopping for a little friend Josue adopted. His name is Smokey. We're going shopping, so we bought him this little shirt that says "Pizza's my cardio" because me and Josue, we both love pizza. And then we got him this little sweater for the weather. And we got him this bowl for food and water. He's sleeping right here, as you can see. We're just going shopping for Smokey. You guys can see, he's so cute. And right now we're trying to figure out which bed to buy. We just got this one so he could lay on it, but we don't know if we're gonna buy this one or another one. But yeah, we bought him this little shirt too. We put him on it. It's like a little sweater. Yeah, he's being lazy right now. So let's get to it. Hey guys, so we already bought all the stuff and I am so excited to set up his things. So first we got the water and food bowl, and we got a little bit of a purple color. We got, this is the food bowl. Right here, I think we could do whichever way. And right here we have this shirt that says "Pizza is my cardio" because again, we love pizza and it is really funny. Here we have a shirt that says "Coolest dog ever" because Smokey's the coolest dog. And then we have a little toy. It's a reindeer. It could swing. I think you will love it. And also, this is not for the dog. And we have a little jacket because it's really cold now. Now let's set things up. Okay. So, Smokey, what are you doing?
Can I put it somewhere?
Oh, here then. And I'm gonna put all his food and stuff.
Here.
No, wait. He got stuck again. His hands keep getting stuck in this. That's enough, Josue.
I'm gonna put the water.
Smokey!
Becky, I'm gonna put the water in here.
So crazy.
Becky, I'm gonna put the water in there. No, why?
You put the food.
Becky.
Put this in there.
Becky, can I put it instead?
Fine. Let me see. Now, since he's a puppy, I'm gonna put a little bit of water in the food so it could get a little bit of soggy.
Like cereal. Like
Yep.
like cereal.
Now, I don't know if he wants some food, but... Oh, he's playing with the toy! I know.
Wait, we need to take the sticker off. Wait. Oh, wait here, buddy. Oh, I'm taking the sticker off.
He keeps getting stuck with his sweater. I'm gonna take it off. So he's doing it up.
Becky.
Hey! Can I put it on? So guys, the dog is already eating. He was really
Mommy.
thirsty.
Mommy.
He's mostly just drinking the other water. I don't think he knows about that there's water right there. But he's drinking his water. He's eating. He's being a good, healthy dog. Hey! I'll sweat.
Hello guys, so we're prepping for tonight's dinner and I made these at work and then we're just waiting for the food to cook, and I just did this right now. I'll show you guys everything